Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of drifting. Specifically with my r34. I'm going to show you the suspension on the gearbox and the engine. All while we're parked in a multiplayer setting. First up, let's take a look at the suspension on the gearbox. This is a great feature that allows you to adjust the ride height, making it easier to control the car while drifting. The gearbox itself is a work of art, with its smooth lines and intricate design. Now, let's move on to the engine. The engine is the heart of any car, and this one is no exception. The sleek lines and powerful design are a testament to the engineering that went into it. Thank you for joining me on this tour of my r34. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more car-related content. Until next time, happy drifting!